Yo, what up guys, it's Tristan Lady. We're back with another video. Today we got two things I'm real excited about. One's a jersey, one's a shoe. Before we get in the video, if you're new, like and subscribe. We're on the road to 300. We're at like 260 at the time we're recording this video, so get us there. My goal is to try and hit 300 by my birthday, March 1st. A little unrealistic, but I'm gonna shoot for it because I believe we can do it. For outfit, I got this broken 9-inch nail zip up I wear all the time, and I got this Billie Eilish Happier Never shirt, and then some Gap jeans, and then I got the af1 custom Converses. I feel like I've shown these in the video, but I'm not too sure if I have. They're like a Nike ID collab with af1. So yeah, that's what mine looks like. But yeah, first off, I'll probably get into the jersey. So I ain't gonna lie, I'd never even heard of this place, but I looked it up and it was legit, and they came in clutch, honestly, because I didn't it's called Scale, I don't know, I assume Skills, but it's spelled weird. They came in clutch because I didn't think this jersey would come in time, because I'm going to a game tomorrow. But it did, barely in the nick of time. And for a Nike jersey, like, they were below retail price. And as you can see, I got a DeMar DeRozan Bulls jersey. If you didn't know, I don't know how you would know. I'm a Bulls fan. Favorite player is Derrick Rose, obviously, but you know, DeMar's my favorite on the Bulls. I still wish we had Jimmy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Actually, like, honestly, probably Patrick Williams or Kobe White's my favorite on the Bulls, or like, I don't know, it's tough because it's tied up between them. I like a lot of players on the Bulls, I don't know, but I'm really big on Kobe White. I don't know why, I just like Kobe White. I remember I was really big on him coming out of college, and he got drafted by the Bulls. So yeah, but DeMar's probably my favorite on the team. It's hard for me to choose because I like so many of the Bulls players, but yeah, so I was excited because that actually shipped really quick, and it was like a really good price. So if you need any jerseys, I would probably check there. Excuse me. Because yeah, it was like 30 bucks or 20 bucks below retail, and the shipping was free, and it got here in like 3 days. Because we're going to the Bulls Grizzlies game in Memphis. I might record some of that and show y'all. But yeah, if I do, it'll be like short clips, but if I do, I'll probably do a video on it. It'll be like Thursday or Friday when I upload it, like, 'cause I gotta edit and stuff. But yeah, I honestly thought that last video was gonna be my last one till my birthday, but then these came in and I kind of forgot about that I was going to the Bulls game. I wasn't sure if I was gonna record at the Bulls game, but I probably will. So yeah. And after this, now that these came in, I was really just waiting for these for the shoe collection. And I sold some stuff, so I didn't want my collection to seem bigger than it was. So now I've sold some stuff. So this box is really cool, though. It's the tan all over Billie Eilish box. It's got the Billie Eilish logo and Nike Air. It says, "It's hard to stop once it starts." And it says it again on the back. And then Billie Eilish on the side. So I actually ordered these off the website, or my mom did, for Christmas, and I didn't realize how long it was gonna take because these dropped like 2 days on our website before sneakers. So I thought it would ship out decently quick, but they didn't like ship out till literally like 3 days ago. And I'm recording this, I think, February 6th or 7th, or it's the 6th because tomorrow's the Bulls game. So as you can see, I picked out the cream pair. I was really tough because I actually really liked both colorways she did, but I ultimately decided to go with the cream mushroom pair. I think the official color is mushroom. I don't know if I said, but it has Billie Eilish paper. I think I said that. Yeah, official name is mushroom. Champigon. I don't even know how you say that. But these are really interesting. These are actually my first Air Forces. I'm gonna be honest, like, I know, like, they're a classic and all that, but I'm not a big, like, all white on white Air Force guy. Like, I respect it, but it's just, like, so many other shoes I'd rather have. But these, I really like these. So they're, like, an all over, like, stitched, like, suede, and it's not even suede. It's, like, kind of like felt. I guess it's suede. It's like kind of feels like felt. I think it's like felt. And then I don't even. This is like a nylon material, and then it's like all sewed in and stitched. And like it's got a really like Frankenstein look. I really like the way they look, and I would say these look way better in person than they do like on the pictures. Yeah, these look a lot better in person, honestly. And then you've got the little Billie Eilish Dubre, I think is how you say it. I think that's the name of it. And then Nike Air, and then so the insole is actually really interesting. That was like the first thing I noticed when I took out the shoe, because they're like, let's see if I can pull it out. They're like styrofoam, like literally like styrofoam. I don't know if these are like recycled. I'll be honest. I feel like these are probably recycled because this is literally styrofoam, like styrofoam insole. It's got Nike times Billie Eilish. And then I saw a video on these, so I know that it says right there. It also says it's hard to stop once it starts, because I saw another video on these. So I thought that was a really cool detail. It says like on the strobe, a lot like, I don't know. It's like something you will never see, but it's just cool to like know it's down there. I'm gonna see if there's anything different from other shoes. Oh, another shoe's behind me. No, I do wish though. There's not anything different on this shoe, but I was hoping that the Billie Eilish logo would be like right on the Nike Air logo on one of the sides, because I feel like that would have been a cool touch. But yeah, I'll show you guys what these look like on feet. Like these are really, I mean, Air Forces are pretty simple to style. I actually have the Billie Eilish shirt that dropped with these. Not this exact. I'll show you guys what the shirt looks like. I'll kind of style these real quick, and then I'll be back for the intro or outro. Alright, so this is kind of them on feet and styled. Air Forces go with a lot, honestly, and especially like in a neutral color. So you can really style these with anything. I just already had the Billie Eilish shirt, the Nike Billie Eilish shirt from Sneakers, and it says Billie Eilish on the back. I don't know if I'll be able to get it, but I don't know. I feel like it looks solid. And it's like a more of a boxy fit. The only thing that's weird is this is a large, but like the length is short for a large, but it's really boxy, if that makes sense. So it's like not super baggy, more boxy, if you get what I'm saying. All right, guys. So let me know your thoughts on these, the Billie Eilish Air Forces down below. Before that, before I go, I want to let you know on sizing. So like on leather Air Forces, everyone says to go like half size down, or a lot of people tell me that. I've never had a pair of leather Forces, but these are not leather, and these might stretch a little bit, but I highly doubt it. And I went true to size, and I'd highly recommend that, especially with this insole, because it doesn't really allow your foot to move much. So I just can't imagine these being comfortable, especially if they're too tight. Like, I mean, they're not uncomfortable. I'm saying if they were too tight, they would be extremely uncomfortable. So yeah, definitely recommend true to size. Comfort. It's a slab of pure plastic or rubber, I should say, and this insole is really not doing you any favors. Insole's pretty stiff. It might break in, but it's like styrofoam breaking in, because it literally is styrofoam. But I was really waiting for these to come in, because first off, to do the video for these, and then so I could do the shoe collection video, and then probably after that I do the fitted video. So yeah, that's about it. We're on the road to 300. If you haven't seen the last video, I said if the last video got 300 views, I would get the Rick backpack that matches those. So go show love to the last video. We're on the road to 300. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. See you on the next video. Peace.